can I just have Logan and Eva just back up? Maybe there's a huge space there. Yes. We need to back up because I need to be able to write. Okay. Gurveer, please come sit over here. Andrew, stay there. You guys are going to be way too crazy.
Is it filming now?
Okay, so who can tell me what we've been talking about in math? 2D geometry, what we've been working on. 2D. Let's have Colton. Let's have Julianne. Boys and girls, this is not what we do when someone else is talking. Julianne's speaking. I need to be able to hear what she's saying, okay? Julianne.
Shapes that I was talking about the
Yeah, we did. We talked about edges. So we talked about sides of a shape, that's right. What else have we talked about when it comes to shapes? What other parts or properties or traits of shapes have we been talking about? I'm going to pick someone that's sitting nicely and not fidgeting around. Peyton.
The angles?
Yeah, the angles. Do we remember the kind of angles that we talked about? Jonathan? That's right. The right angles, smaller than right. And larger than right. What else have we talked about shapes? What parts of a shape are there? There's the sides of the shapes. What are the things that are right on the, yeah, Mackenzie?
The vertices.
The vertices, yep, that's it. So we talked about the vertices of the shapes, the sides of the shapes. We've talked about the different angles of the shapes. There's one more thing that we touched on briefly. I'm not sure if you guys will remember. We'll see. Eva. Okay. Are they bothering you right now? Can you just ignore them for now? Don't touch them and don't itch them, okay? Just leave them for now. Julianne?
Quadrilateral.
Yes, we did talk about quadrilateral, the type of shapes. But what I'm looking for is, do you guys remember when we talked about irregular and regular polygons?
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Remember the irregular ones have really weird long sides and some of the sides are shorter, and a regular polygon is all equal sides around? Yep. Regular. So we are going to be doing an activity today. We don't have a ton of time because it is the end of the day.
It is?
And we, not yet, but we are going to be using yarn.
Yarn?
Yes, we are going to be using yarn. I need to explain to you how we're going to use, no, we're not buying a cat. I'm going to show you. Andrew, don't touch that. I have yours tangled.
Are we knitting something?
No, we are not knitting. Can I please have Kyle and Colton stand up? I need you guys to please be quiet because you need to be able to see how to do this. Grab this and grab this. Okay, boys and girls watching. Spread out, spread out. We are going to be human. We are going to be human vertices today. So our hands are going to be acting as vertices. So let's try and make a triangle. Colton, what are you going to do? Yeah? Kyle? See, we have a triangle going on right here. Is this a regular or irregular looking triangle? Do all the sides look pretty equal? Yeah. So I would say it's a regular polygon. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to name off the shapes. And you guys are going to get into groups. Except the only thing is what happens if we have to make a square? we're going to have to add another person. We're going to have to add another person into the mix. Wait, no. You guys are going to do this on your own, okay? But what you'll find is that when we start making shapes that have more sides, we're going to start using less yarn, and there's going to be more people around. So, yeah, see, we just made a square, and Holton decided to use two of his hands. So, two things. Can I see the string, please?
Yes.
We're going to start off. With a circle. But I need to say two things.
Yeah.
I have two favorite movies.
What are they?
They're Disney movies. My first favorite Disney movie is Finding Nemo. It's my very favorite. And my second favorite, hold on Eva, no stories, Andrew, is Toy Story. This activity, I'm telling you now, we're going to get probably pretty chatty, but I need to be able to get your attention so that I can tell you what shapes we're going to be making, right? So, there's going to be two things that I'll say to get your attention. The first thing, I'm going to say to infinity, and what do you say?
And beyond.
And beyond. And you guys are going to reply to me, and then when you say that, I will know that you guys are listening, and all eyes and all ears will be on me. The other one that I'm going to say is shark bait. What do you say after shark bait from Finding Nemo? Ooh ha ha. Shark bait. Ooh ha ha. Okay? So that's what you guys. Okay. So like that. That's what we're going to say when I need to get your attention. So I'm going to hand up the yarn, but I need you guys to have really, really good listening ears for this. Backing up. Holton and Kyle. And Andrew, you can go with Holton and Kyle. No, we're starting with 3 and then we'll be moving up. Yes. We're starting off with 3 and then our groups will gradually get bigger. So Julianne, you 3? You 3? Okay. Jonathan and Casey and Gravere, you are another 3. Yeah, this is we haven't started yet. Owen and Eva and David. Owen, Eva, and David. Just leave it for now, Jonathan, sweetie. Just leave it, hon. You 3. Okay. Boys and girls, spread up. Yes, we are. Make sure that your yarn is untangled. Okay.
Mackenzie, you try it.
You're welcome.
Brianna, hold on. I got it.
Pardon? I know, some of them are getting a little tangled.
Let's bring a trapezoid. Put it there.
Yeah, let's do that.
Hey, boys and girls, please start by making a triangle.
Triangle. Let's go, let's go.
Okay, do good job and hold your triangle. Try to stand right. Make sure you're only holding it with your hands. That's okay.
Okay, now the square.
Oh, come here.
Now rectangle.
Okay, is that a triangle?
No, it's a crossbow.
No. How many vertices does that have? Four. So you need to know how to use a triangle.
One finger, one finger.
No, I never said you were on the next one.
Okay, now we have to leave it like this. Let's go sleep. 1, 2. Feet are out.
That's good.
Hold on. You do it.
Okay, triangle. To infinity and beyond. Thank you. Eyes and ears on me, please. Who can tell me about their triangle? How many vertices do we have going on here? Gervier.
3.
We have 3 vertices. Does anyone have a regular polygon? Does anyone have a triangle that has all the same sides?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Is it perfect?
Yes.
David and Eva, you are holding it down at the same time.
It's perfect.
Thank you. I see a few isosceles triangles, which is triangles that have really long sides. That's really good. So you guys have an irregular triangle, that's for sure. What kind of angles do we have on a triangle? Who can tell me what kind of angles are on a triangle? This particular triangle that you made. Eva. No, what kind of angle? I'm sorry, boys and girls, you're listening up here. We can stop this activity as quick as it started if you're not listening. Okay? What kind of angles do we have on the triangle that we just made? What kind of angles? Colton.
3.
Okay, not the number. What kind? Remember we talked, there's 3 kinds of angles. Monica.
I forget.
Okay, that's fine. Peyton.
A right angle?
No, not quite. Remember, a right angle is like a square, the corner of a square. Mackenzie.
Smaller.
It's a smaller than right angle. That's right. And how many sides do we have? How many sides? Who can tell me? Liam.
3.
3. That's right. Okay, we are going to move on to a square. That means you're going to have to find someone to add to your triangle. Chances are one triangle will be taken away. Okay? So get into a group so that you have 4 vertices. So you can have...
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Someone will have to split up. Thank you. Beautiful. 1, 2. Oh, look at it. I also want to point something out, boys and girls. Look at what David and Eva are doing. They're using both hands to be vertices. That's pretty cool. That's not what we're doing, guys. Outside. Outside. You guys need 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Brianna, can you stand up and use your hands, please? Yeah, I asked you to do a square. How many squares do we have? Yeah, you guys have all the right ones.
What are you making? I have some.
How many sides do you have? Let me try to get there. Way close. There you go.
Tyro.
Good job. Okay, so you're going to have to give him 1 vertice. Okay, now that you've made your squares, boys and girls, eyes and ears up here. Casey, who can tell me how many vertices we have in our square? Who can tell me? Matthew P.
4.
4, that's right. 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what kind of angles do we have in our square? David, what kind of angles do we have in our square? The type of angle. Kyle.
Right.
It's a right angle, that's right. And how many sides do we have? Who can tell me how many sides? Logan.
4.
Okay. What are you guys doing? You have Brianna. Honey, we have 4 people. You have 4 people to make 4 vertices. Let's come out of it. Hold it properly. Thank you. How many sides do we have? Okay, you guys. You need to stop. Thank you. Stay here. You guys can do the next shape. How many sides do we have on our shape? Julianne. 4 sides. Okay. Now we're moving on to a pentagon. How many sides does a pentagon have? 5.
What's the biggest shape you can do with it?
How many points does a pentagon have? How many corners? There's 5.
Someone make
Shape.
I know. Actually, just make
5. Thank you.
No.
Okay, here's a group of 3. How about you join their group and make a pentagon?
This is simple.
Let's add 2 more. 1 hand each, because 1 hand is a vertice. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 hand. 1 hand. Thank you. Let's back up a bit, guys, because we're kind of getting in the way of this group over here. David and Eva and Logan and Matthew. Okay, so 1 hand only.
Logan.
Thank you.
Hold here.
Perfect.
David, hold there. Okay, okay, we made one.
Okay, so everyone has their pentagon?
No.
How many vertices do we have? How many? Peyton.
5.
We have 5. How many sides do we have? Eva.
5.
5 sides. What kind of angles? What kind of angles do we have in our pentagon? What kind of angles? Julianne.
Please say it wasn't on.
5. Did you say 5? No. What kind of angle? Remember, there's 3 kinds. What kind?
I don't know.
Peyton, David, please stand up. Do you see everyone else sitting down? How many? Right. We have.
How about diamond?
Yeah. Would you say they're larger than mine?
Some might be.
I think so. It depends on which ones or how you guys built them. But yeah, it could be
I don't
larger
know how
or
to
smaller.
make it.
So give them a challenge of doing a pentagon with a larger than right angle. And it could happen if people stop talking.
Yeah.
So let's try this, because you're going to want to move on. Okay, hand over your string. Hand over. Thank you. Now you guys need to go join other groups so that we can make larger shapes.
So we are moving on to a hexagon. So you need to get into groups and try and make a hexagon.
Okay, guys.